It's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube. My YouTube station is 5 minutes or less. I don't make YouTubes longer than that. I don't want you to leave me, and I don't want to talk too much. The only promotion I do is to let you know if you need expert and affordable representation to give me a call or a consultation. I've worked over 10,000 cases. I've been doing this work for 50 years, and I'm a national expert on all IRS on all IRS matters. As a former revenue officer, I've worked, I don't know, 2,000 business cases maybe. And today I want to talk to you about if you owe business taxes, corporate taxes, 941 taxes. What are the options you have? Most people don't know that you can do an offer and compromise on business and payroll taxes. They have no idea that that can be done. So just like personal taxes, individual taxes that kind of get all the glory and all the attention, you can do an offer and compromise on payroll tax debt. Just most people don't do that. So as a former IRS agent, if you owed that business tax, what would I do? Well, the first thing I would do is I'd do a full compliance check on you and your business to make sure all your personal and business taxes are filed. Number two, I'd make sure you're current on your withholding taxes and your business payroll taxes. IRS isn't going to let you perpetuate debt by not paying tax deposits or estimate payments. They're not going to go ahead and allow that at all. So they've got to make sure you're current. You've been current for 6 months. IRS is going to want a 433B, a business financial statement. You can download that online. And they're going to want your 433A, your personal financial statement, to make sure that you are in the same status of your business and not having a lot of money. IRS is going to explore your assets, they're going to explore your income, and they're going to explore any means of potential of paying the debt. IRS is going to want the total liquid value, at least to know what that is offered to settle your debt. So if you have so much of assets in your personal, so much assets in your business, IRS is not going to settle for less than that. If you are considering filing an offer and a compromise, do not let someone talk you into this, and don't get ripped off by you giving them some information and then they're going to say, okay, we're going to charge you $10,000 and do that. You want to go ahead and submit your financial statements to whoever is doing your work. Let them see the forms themselves. Don't let a salesperson talk you into submitting an offer and compromise without them looking at your 433 OICA or your 433B. You want to make sure, in fact, they have seen the financial statements and they can tell you specifically you have a good chance for an offer and compromise. A lot of people fill out these surface forms they send to you and they ask you for 25 questions and boom, all of a sudden you're eligible for an offer. The offer and compromise is a lot longer. I've taught the program. I used to accept offers and deny offers. So I am, like I said, a leading expert in this offer and compromise field. So if you have a case and you want to settle your business debt and you really have no option to pay it, the offer may be for you. The two other closing methods IRS uses is to put you into a currently non-collectible status and or make payments. But the offer and compromise is the best and the truest way to take business, payroll, corporate debt right out completely. IRS will release the liens, free you up, and just so you know, offers and compromise right now take about a year or so to go ahead and work. If I've given you information that was helpful, you didn't know, if you'd give me a subscription, I'd appreciate it. My contact information is in the description section. I am available for a consultation or a representation if you need to. But make sure you truly choose a firm that you speak to the person who's going to work your case. Don't speak to anyone else, because to be honest, they don't know anything about your case and probably don't know much about the offer and compromise. Thank you for listening. I appreciate a subscription.